New York City may ban detergent packs, including Tide Pods. The pods are a plastic bill introduced by City Councilman James Gennaro last week, would make it illegal to sell any pods and laundry sheets if they're made with polyvinyl alcohol. Fines for selling the pods would start at $400, double for a second violation, and top off at $1,200. The bill would also require education and outreach to businesses on the ban for the first year. The law wouldn't take effect until January 1st, 2026, if passed. Polyvinyl alcohol, or PVA, is used as a film in pods that dissolves in water during the wash cycle, but scientists counter that it breaks down any tiny microplastic pieces that still pollute waterways and slip through filtration systems. About 19,000 tons of PVA are used each year in pods, with more than 8,000 tons being left untreated in the U.S. water. Don't forget to like and subscribe, follow, and share my channel so you can keep up to date with any kind of cleaning recalls and eco-oily cleaning tips and organizing tricks by Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.